Good afternoon, I'm Liesel and I'm the Chief Stewardess on board Motor Yacht Wheels. I've been working as a stewardess and chef for the past 10 years, and my career has afforded me the opportunity to work in some wonderful places, both on land and at sea. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make our signature cocktail, Hot Wheels. First off, we're going to start by making our glass pretty. We dip it into some freshly squeezed lime juice. Try to get as much lime juice on there as possible. And then we're going to dip it into our spicy salt mix. The spicy salt mix I've made using kosher salt, smoked paprika, and fresh lime zest. Try to get as much as possible on there. There you go, just roll it around. There you have your pretty glass. For this cocktail, you're going to use some chili infused tequila. I know that not everyone has chili infused tequila, so I don't expect you to go make a bottle. If you want, you can simply slice a chili, put it in your tequila and let it infuse for at least 12 hours. If not, you can just put your tequila in at this stage with your ice as an extra ingredient. And then you can just muddle it slightly so that it releases some of the chili flavors. So we're just going to put some ice in here to cool our drink. Shake it. And then we'll add 2 ounces of chili infused tequila. One ounce of Cointreau or triple sec. Three-quarters of an ounce of lime juice. And then 2 ounces of fresh blood orange juice. And now we're going to shake it up. Try to shake it for about 10 to 15 seconds. There we go. And then we'll strain it. And there you have your Hot Wheels. Now we'll garnish it with a dehydrated blood orange slice. But of course, on Motor Yacht Wheels, we like to make smoking hot wheels. Thank you for watching this video today. I hope that I've inspired you to make some of these recipes at home. We hope to welcome you on board Motor Yacht Wheels one day, where we can make the Smokin' Hot Wheels cocktail for you. Thank you very much.